This next one is on Amazon, and I gotta tell you, it's taken over the world, and it's a lot of a beautiful thing. We'll see how it all plays out with Amazon. I meet so many people, they order from Amazon, they got Prime, they order that thing at 9 in the morning and it's delivered to their house by 4:30 on a Sunday in the United States by the Postal Service. They gotta be working for Amazon. But regardless, everyone has seen that video I had where I bought a storage locker with 3,000 books in Spanish, and it caused me to open an Amazon seller account, and it changed my life. If something's got a barcode on it, you could list it on Amazon. It's easier to me than doing it on eBay. It's just different. And I've sold a lot of stuff over the years using Amazon. Please get a barcode scanner though. Don't read all those little numbers underneath the barcode. It'll drive you nuts. But get the barcode scanner, list those things. If you've got newer things that you find are in your house, hey, you get done reading that book you got from Amazon Prime, you don't want to keep it, hey, put that barcode number into your Amazon seller account that I'm going to recommend that you do once you see this. Open up an Amazon seller account, check it out. And the ad's already set up for you. List it, learn about it. And again, the same way that I shared about eBay. Type that into Google. How do I sell stuff on Amazon? There's selling groups, people that will share the information with you, either in article form or YouTube videos, tell you how to do it. It's been a great little money maker, and again, that extra money can make your life a little bit better. I'm here in Cabo San Lucas filming this because I want to share it with you all. So open that Amazon account. Don't be shy. Get out there and do it. Check it out.